Hi, this is Vizi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable Firewall on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you have problem passing the system check, it is recommended to temporarily disable the firewall. This recommendation is due to the fact that the firewall can block the connection to the server, which affects the passing of the system check or broadcasting the video stream during the exam. On my previous video, I've shown you how to enable the firewall on your MacBook, how to turn on. But now, what if you want to turn this off? You want to disable it? It's very simple. You can open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can go to Security and Privacy. Click on Security and Privacy. And you can go to Firewall. Click on Firewall. To make change, you can unlock these settings by tap on Click Lock to make change. You can enter your password. Now you can just click on Turn off Firewall. So now you have disabled your firewall. Don't forget to lock it back. It's very simple, right? So if you want to turn this on again anytime, you can just do the same thing. So that is how to disable, how to turn off the firewall on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!